In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix chat features unavailable for this device. So in order to actually fix that, you need to head over right here into your Google Messages, which on my case is this one right there. Long press it, and then after that, as you can see, we can find the app info. So what we can do is we can click on our settings right there. And once you're in here, locate the apps, click onto this manage apps, and then locate right here your messages. So scroll down and then locate it right there. Once you have found right here your messages, proceed to click on it, click onto the storage, clear the cache as well as the data right there. Once you have done that, this will actually clear the data for it. Another option that you can do is you can actually head over and uninstall the particular app. You can head over here again to your manage apps, click on the messages, and make sure to force stop it. Now, once you have uninstalled it, head over to your Play Store and make sure to search for Google Messages and click on uninstall option right there. And then after it's uninstalled, proceed to actually reinstall it and it should be able to fix the features available onto that as well. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.